The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to John. Jesus said to his disciples, I tell you most solemnly, anything you ask for from the Father, he will grant in my name. Until now, you have not asked for anything in my name. Ask and you will receive, and so your joy will be complete. I have been telling you all this in metaphors. The hour is coming when I shall no longer speak to you in metaphors, but tell you about the Father in plain words. When that day comes, you will ask in my name, and I do not say that I shall pray to the Father for you, because the Father himself loves you for loving me and believing that I came from God. I came from the Father and have come into the world, and now I leave the world to go to the Father. The Gospel of the Lord. In today's Gospel, Jesus is teaching very important things to his disciples about his identity. Of course, before his death and resurrection, he taught his disciples many things. But still, after the resurrection of Christ, he is repeatedly teaching about his existence and identity. So in today's gospel, Jesus is telling his disciples, ask from the Father in my name, and he will grant you, and your joy will be complete. This statement is very important in our life. Your joy will be complete if you ask the Father in my name. And if you don't ask, if you don't pray, if you don't come to God, if you don't believe in God, the Father, that means there is no joy, there is no peace, there is no happiness. This means the true joy, peace, or happiness comes from God alone. It will not come from money or wealth or persons or the material things, but it comes from God alone, the true joy. Your joy will be complete. Maybe we may have joy with money or people or wealth or material things, but our joy is not complete. That means we are not satisfied fully, we are not content, we are not happy, even though we have a lot of things. Only the joy will be complete once we ask God in the name of Jesus. That means having faith in God, believing in God, believing in Jesus, loving Jesus is going to give us true joy and happiness. Even though there will be problems or suffering, pain, persecutions, or death, or the present time we are facing the coronavirus calamities, all these things. But in spite of all these things, once we have faith in God, when we ask in the name of Jesus, our joy will be complete. Even though we may lose our near and dear ones, doesn't matter. So Jesus is so plainly he's telling, I came from Father and I am going to the Father. So this is what we need to understand in our life. When we lose our near and dear ones, what happens to us? Sometimes we experience death in our life. We don't want to leave our parents or brothers or sisters or near and dear ones. We don't want to leave this world, this earth. We don't want to leave our house. But Jesus is happily telling his disciples, I came from God, I am going back to God. I came from the Father, I am going back to my Father. So this is what we need to experience. God created heaven and earth. As long as we live on this earth, let us experience our very life is itself the gift of God. Then once we live and finish our span of life here, let us go happily to heaven, to the Father, to God, because God has created us in His image and likeness. But most of the time we are not happy to leave our families, this earth. We don't want to leave the material things. We are crying, no, I don't want to leave, I don't want to leave. But in the case of Jesus, we find, I leave this world and going to my Father because I came from Him. So this is what Jesus came into this world to teach about the existence of heaven and earth, the existence of life even after death. So death is not the end of life, death is the beginning of new life in heaven. So therefore, let us not be disturbed, let us not be saddened, let us not be worried about the suffering or pain or persecutions or death in our lives. The Lord will give us power and strength if we have faith in Him. This is what Jesus came into this world and taught the people, that there is a life after death. We come from God, we must go back to God happily. And if you are not happy, that means the reason He has given, we are not asking God. We have no faith in God. So people, those who have faith in God, they will have the true peace, joy, happiness in their lives. In this Holy Mass, Jesus is going to strengthen our faith. He is going to give us the true joy and peace. May the good Lord continue to bless us all in this Mass.